Assalamualaikum students. I hope so you are fine and you are at your home, and I hope so you are waiting for your summer task. And this video is about your guideline for summer tasks, how you have to solve your summer tasks and complete your work within a days. We had divided these summer tasks week-wise, and almost there are 5 weeks, and I will start from week 1. You can see it here. There are some work for you in week 1 that you have to complete it within a time, or that are task. First of all, you have to do reading of poem 2, the Storyteller, and which is that story, and from with that book I'm going to show you. You have to follow this book, this one, and the page number 21 and 22. The Storyteller, you can see it here. You have to first of all memorize the words meanings, that words given on the top of your page. Then you have to read out this poem. After doing this, you have to complete the exercise question answers that's given on your page number 22. These questions, these one and these ones, until here. Okay, and this is also included. This is also a comprehension type one. Next, we can see what's your task on your summer tasks. You have to find out the rhyming words that are given on your sheet. Then you have to solve the worksheet number 5. Before solving this, or while you are solving, you can take help from your book, page number 6, which is about participles and articles. You can see it. Page number 6, participle and articles. Now I'm going to show you your worksheet number 5. You can see we have written a worksheet numbers on the top of your page, and this is your worksheet. Topic is articles, and be careful while you are solving your worksheets and properly, and must follow your writing pattern and use your pencil while you are solving your worksheets. Next work is you have to solve worksheet. You can see here worksheet number 1, present indefinite tense. I'm going to show you your worksheet number 1. That's worksheet number 1. There you go, guys. That's present indefinite tense. There are some how to solve this affirmative, negative, interrogative, and there are some sentence are written. You have to write it and complete it. Next one is you have to solve section C and D of your workbook. This is your workbook. You have to solve page number 15 and 16. There you go, guys. You have to solve question number C, this one. Then question number D, homophones. I think so you can see it clearly, this one. And the next question in your summer task is that you have to write a story of your own, but you can take help from page number 16 of your workbook. There is some ideas for you. You can read it and you can write a story by using your imagination and experiences. After completing this, let's move on to week 2. Similarly, there are some tasks for week 2. You have to read out the unit 3. Similarly, from this book, unit number 3, page number 26, and RCN 5. You have to memorize the words meaning of these words given on your page. Then you have to read this chapter, whole chapter. I'm showing you. And keep one thing in your mind. While you are reading, you have to think about this and find out the answer and write here. After reading this, the next question is you have to solve the comprehension questions on your loose sheet. These are your comprehension questions. You have to solve until here. The next question in your summer task, we have done this and this one. You have to solve section A and C of your workbook, page number 19 and 21. This is your workbook 19, and on C and 5 we have to do part A, and question number 1 and 2 until here is a question number A. Then you have to solve a question number C, part 1 and 2 until here. After completing this, you have a some pictures given on page number 22. You can color it according to your choice. That's up to you. Then you have to solve worksheet number 2, which is of preposition and conjunctions. Okay, I'm going to show you the worksheet number 2. Just wait for a second. There you go, guys. Worksheet number 2. Be careful. That's a worksheet number 2. Preposition and conjunctions. You can solve. I think so. You can see it. You can solve this by using your preposition and conjunction. The next question of week 2 is